Many people may not realize that the Milu deer has endured a dramatic and turbulent fate, marked by a legendary journey from the brink of extinction to the steady recovery of its population. This winter, the species' international name was officially changed from Pere David's deer to the Chinese transliteration Milu. This renaming, more than 160 years in the making, reflects a profound shift in China's role in Milu conservation from early absence to a position of global leadership. Looking back to 1865, the Milu was accidentally discovered by a French missionary, after which Western academia assigned it the name Pere David's deer. Today, the international recognition of Milu signifies that the species has finally reclaimed a formal name rooted in its place of origin. The Milu's history in China was once deeply tragic. In 1900, during the invasion by the Eight-Nation Alliance, the Milu at Nanhazi were slaughtered, leading to the species' complete extinction in the wild in China. Fortunately, the Duke of Bedford in the United Kingdom gathered and bred 18 surviving individuals. These 18 deer became the common ancestors of all Milu worldwide. During World War II, Milu were dispersed to zoos in several countries, a move that prevented the species from once again slipping into extinction. The year 1985 marked a critical turning point for the Milu. China and the United Kingdom signed a reintroduction agreement, and 22 Milu were transported across the seas to Beijing. With 20 settled at the Nanhazi Milu Park, Chinese scientists subsequently devised a carefully planned three-step strategy to drive population recovery. As conservation efforts continued, the Milu's distribution expanded rapidly across the country, from just 2 sites initially to 81 locations, nearly covering all of its historical habitats prior to extinction. After 4 decades of sustained effort, China's Milu conservation program has achieved remarkable results. The current population stands at approximately 15,000 individuals, distributed across 26 provinces, autonomous regions, and municipalities. Nationwide, 94 ex-sited conservation sites have been established, and 6 locations have successfully achieved the rewilding and release of Milu into natural habitats. Throughout this process, China has employed advanced scientific and technological approaches, overcoming major challenges such as disease prevention and control. Nevertheless, Milu conservation is not without ongoing challenges. The existing population suffers from limited genetic diversity, and wild populations remain small and geographically restricted, issues that urgently require further solutions. The recovery of the Milu represents a major victory in the field of biodiversity conservation. We invite everyone to actively share their thoughts in the comments and join the discussion on what more can be done to protect rare and endangered species, so that more of them may enjoy a hopeful and sustainable future.